Good afternoon. Mind if I sit down? Okay, you had one hell of a night. Something about a piano player?
What are you doing here now, Fran? We had a decent night last night. So what?
So what? You owe me a lot of money, and this shithole's normally empty. Somebody tells me that you got a piano player and the joint's packed. I want to know about it. Who knew the dummy could play, huh? You know, I've been looking for a good piano player. So here's what's gonna happen. Piano Boy is gonna be playing at my place on weekends. Matter of fact, whenever I goddamn want him there.
Over my dead body. That piano player is Tommy, my son. He's a gentle soul and he needs me with him to take care of him. Go find yourself another piano player.
Keep your gob shut, you fucking maggot. I'm doing the talking here. You know, the only reason why you're not dead, it's because I married that bitch sister of yours. You know, she sends her regards.
You shouldn't talk about your wife like that. What would your brother, Father Stephen say, huh?
Ah, the hell with my brother. What's he got to do with this anyway, huh? Keep me out of this. Don't push your luck, Willie. You know, it says here that you still owe me for 2 months. That's 40 large. And not including the 5 G's worth of interest from last month. 45 G's due at the end of the month. You know I could just take this fucking bar from you right now, you degenerate.
That wasn't the arrangement. You know it and I know it. You made it so I can't make it up. You know, I could have killed you when I had a chance, but I didn't. I let you live. That's how you repay me? How the hell am I supposed to pay 20 grand every month?
Figure it out. You know, maybe you should have killed me when you had the chance. In the meantime, I'm gonna see Tommy Friday night at my place. And he better be there, because we wouldn't want anything to happen to his fingers, now would we?
I swear to God, you lay a hand on that kid, and this time I will kill you!
Friday, 5 o'clock, be there. Tommy can have a hamburger before he starts playing.
Connor goes with him, you hear me, friend?
Hey, that'll be fine. Somebody might need to wipe your retarded son's ass anyway. What are you gonna do? Friday, 5 o'clock, be there.